Hello, my name is George from Fremont Motors of Casper. I'm here today to show you how we're going to remove a tailgate from a Ram 1500, a 2018 Ram 1500. I'm going to show you how easy it is and show you how quick it can be done. First, we're going to disconnect the harness cable that's connected to the camera and connect it to the tailgate lock. Tilt the tailgate up and disconnect these tabs. The cables have a little piece of sheet metal that flexes. Just make sure you flex it out, okay? And do the same thing on this side. Tilt the tailgate up at 45-degree angle. Then you're going to take the tailgate and pull it towards you. Take the tailgate up. Tailgate weighs about 50 pounds. Put it back, you just reverse the process. Make sure that it's in. In. Up at 45.